I wonder what I should watch today. I say it's not Despicable Me 2. Cool. Ooh, Bruce tries to steal the moon. Intro. Oh my god. Sorry, guys. I had no idea you were watching me, but I was picking a movie. And today it's again me, Easton, a dude in year 4 who is also a very sporty nerd. So, we have a geometry question today, and I'll read it to you. This shape is a trapezium with two right angles. Anna has a square piece of card with the side length 24 centimeters. Question: what is the greatest possible number of these trapeziums Anna can cut out from this card? Well, let's see. So we have a shape that's a trapezium here. And they're trying to ask us, so there's also a square which is 24 by 24. And how much of this trapezium can fit inside the 24 by 24 centimeter square? And it's not just any number, it's the greatest maximum possible number of the trapezium she can cut out from this card. So we're not trying to fit the trapezium, but cut out the trapeziums. So when we look at this, we can already directly see that this question is testing you on your knowledge about length, width, and shapes. And the hard part, I'll get to you later in the video, so do not stop watching. First of all, let's look for the area. It's really hard to look for the area like this, so I'll make it easier for you. From a trapezium into a rectangle and a triangle. The rectangle's area method is A times B, so 3 times 2 equals 6. And then 4 times 3 divided by 2 also equals 6. So the area of the trapezium is 12 centimeters squared. Now, let's draw the big 24 by 24 centimeter squared. Now, have you noticed the hard part? That's really hard to fit a trapezium inside a square. I'll show you how it won't be that hard. So, it's hard to fit a trapezium, but let's copy paste this trapezium and kind of reflect it and make yet another trapezium. This trapezium is the exact same as this trapezium, but only flipped over. So this is still 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, and 6 centimeters. Now, the width is still 3 centimeters, but now this is 8 centimeters. The length is 8 centimeters. A rectangle is way easier to fit and translate inside of a square than compared to a trapezium. So let's use this rectangle first. First of all, let's find how much you can fit in the length. 8 centimeters is the 2 trapeziums length, and 24 centimeters is 1 square's length. So we can use our factor knowledge and see that 8 times 3 equals 24. So there will be 3 sets of 2 trapeziums inside each row of rectangles. So now that we've found the length, all we have to do is find the width, which is 3 centimeters and 24 centimeters. Now, I've already said 8 times 3 equals 24, so obviously 3 times 8 also equals 24. So there's 8 sets of 6 trapeziums, which equals 48 trapeziums. So there we go. We found it. 48 trapeziums, which makes D the answer. Now remember, this is not plainly about geometry because we have to use our factor knowledge and our area knowledge. And a tip for you, remember to like and subscribe. Bye!